ahead.
All right, my name is Mitchell Dunlop, tile installer. My number 757-803-3250.
Heard that.
Get that information in.
All right.
Now, homeowners having a problem with the grout cracking coming up in between the tiles. After removing the vent cover and checking the installation of the cement board, notice that no thin set was placed underneath the cement board. You can see right here the bare wood.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Normally you would use a modified thin set, such as Ultraflex 1, Ultraflex 2, which is a modified thin set underneath your cement board.
All right.
That is the proper procedure to install backing board, and all seams need to be taped.
And what would this allow?
This allows for expansion and contraction. The whole purpose of using the modified thin set underneath the cement board is for expansion and contraction. Of course, wood expands and contracts.
Okay.
Anytime you try to set cement board right over top of the wood subfloor, when you get some expansion and contraction, of course, the cement board's going to move, the thin set's going to move, your grout's going to crack, and your tiles are going to crack.
Okay.
You got to remember,
and that's what's going on right here.
Is a hard substance like concrete. Your floor has to be completely stable, no movement.
Okay.
That is the whole purpose of the thin set underneath the backboard.
What's the real solution to this?
The real solution to this problem?
I mean, I know right now we're going to...
a couple different options.
Okay.
One, which I've already recommended, would use a latex additive for the grout.
Okay.
This is a quick fix. I'm talking a Band-Aid. It's not going to eliminate your problem. You're still going to have areas that's going to crack over time. Second would be to do a relay. Relay a new floor right over top of this. It would not hurt in any type of way. You only raise the floor maybe 3/16 of an inch. And with the door clearance at the front and back, would have no problem cutting any doors either.
Okay.
Second, of course, remove all the tile, all the cement board, and redo the whole job over again.
And that's pretty extensive.
And that's the extensive one.
Okay.
So I start with my less first, and then work way up to the more extensive repair.
Okay, so the customer has some options, but it would have been nice.
The customer has some options. If it was, I mean, my recommendation with this home, I mean, it's a custom home. It's really beautiful.
Right.
And I would do a relay because the cost of just tearing everything up, taking it to the dump, with disposal, it's a lot of work.
Yeah, I can imagine.
It's not hard. It's not something easy.
Right. And so
but
what
a relay would be perfectly fine within standards of the flooring industry. It would be perfectly acceptable.
Okay, and what tool do you have there, and what are you doing?
This is called a grout removal tool.
Okay.
And what I'm doing is going around removing any loose grout that might prevent the new grout from being pushed into the crack properly.
Can you give me a sample of how you do it, how it works?
Like this area right here,
Yeah.
I just run the grout tool over to remove any loose grout.
Okay.
So that my new grout will adhere properly.
Adhere to it real good?
Adhere to it
Okay. I got you.
better.
All right, well, I appreciate it. Thanks, Mitchell. Great job.
You're very welcome.
All right, but we'll take a look at it when you're done.
Okay,
All right,
thank
bye.
you.